It's absolutely heartbreaking, Nabila, for us, because I have seen Puneeth, since when he was 4 or 5 years old. That was the first time, I had met Puneeth on the sets of my movie with his father. In fact, their family is the one which introduced me to the Kannada film industry. So I owe a lot to that family. And Puneeth is somebody who's very, very close to us, very close and very, very loved by Amrish and myself. So this has come as an absolute shock because he's just 46, and you don't expect a 46-year-old a man who's so fit, so much into exercise, gymming, and he was absolutely fine. He was absolutely perfect, and one doesn't. I don't know how to process this. We are all in shock, and it's so painful. This is the last thing you expect and the last thing you want, and I think the Kannada film industry has been thrown into total darkness about this because everybody is in shock and pain, and we aren't able to digest the fact that Appu, our beloved Appu, who's so well loved by everybody, he's no more. He was such a simple soul, so down to earth, so humble, no airs, no arrogance, nothing that would suggest that he's the great thespian's son, or he himself was such a big star. And you can see the kind of love he's earned, the lakhs and lakhs of fans thronging just to have a last glimpse of him. And he was taken away so soon, so at such a young age. It's unbelievable. We're not able to fathom this at all. I don't know what to say. We are all in shock.
For Puneeth, it was not. No, I know. I can imagine because Puneeth was a family member to almost everyone, because Rajkumar family itself is the first family of the Kannada film industry. So for every single person who came along as actors in the film industry, Dr. Rajkumar's family came as an immediate, a ready-made family to them. And they were so wholehearted about it. They welcomed every star into the family like their own family member, encouraged them, gave them all the push that they needed. And Puneeth Rajkumar particularly, being the youngest of them, the three brothers, happened to be the brightest of them all, if I could say. Of course, even Shivarna, we know Shivraj Kumar, a fabulous actor, but we know that Puneeth Rajkumar was just an all-rounder. He would sing, he would dance, he would act, he would do action scenes. He was just an all-rounder who we still can't get over. Even now, we still, in fact, fans we saw inside, ma'am, sobbing. They were sobbing so hard. I can only imagine on every one of Puneeth Rajkumar's birthdays, they come and sit outside, they camp outside his house with cakes. Puneeth would patiently meet all of them, one after the other, cut all those cakes along with them and spend his entire birthday only with his fans. He somehow felt that his identity was his fans all the way. And that's why the kind of reciprocation when we see the flowing crowds that you see inside the Kantiva Stadium. You had actors from all over coming down into Bengaluru as well. Yeah, how do you look at it, ma'am? Puneeth Rajkumar as an all-rounder.
He was extremely approachable. He never behaved like he was a big star. I think he had imbibed his father's qualities to the core because, his father was so well known for his simple ways and, the approachable, lovable quality, what his father had. Puneeth was the same. And, for all of us who are missing Dr. Rajkumar, we could see him in Appu, And he was the perfect all-rounder, as you said. He could sing, he could dance, he was fit, he was a good actor. He had delivered great performances and super-duper hits throughout his career. He was a perfect husband. I've never seen him come out anywhere without Ashwini. Both were like so much into each other. And he was a great father. I mean, I would say that I don't know how to explain this or how to reconcile with this loss. Especially, one cannot face the family. I was not able to look Ashwini in the eyes at all, because I know exactly what she's going through. I can exactly relive the pain one goes through when you lose your most important person in life. And Puneeth is somebody, my God, the whole industry is going to miss terribly, terribly for forever, if not for a long time. And I feel, I don't know, I'm so scared to get up and answer the phones nowadays, because one doesn't know, what kind of news you're going to hear. We have already lost so many youngsters in the span of 1 year in the Kannada film industry, whether it is
Ma'am,
Chiranjeevi
Chiranjeevi Sarja in the
Sanchari
recent
Vijay.
past. Chiranjeevi Sarda in the recent past. Yeah.
Yes. And, this
In
is
fact,